Now this is what we've been waiting for. Ooh. Comes in a brown box because it's professional. The consumer ones come in a glossy box and all fancy pictures, but this just comes in a plain box. Tells you all about it on there. You can see what it is. This is Sony HXR-NX80 4K NX cam. So without further ado, let's tear into this box. Prime support, don't miss out. Register for your free Prime Support Pro today and you'll get 2 years of essential business support. So we shall do that later on. Sony limited warranty. There's a big thick old manual and there's a CD in there, which I've no idea what that is. That could be some solid state memory camcorder. It doesn't even say what it is, but I assume it's some kind of software for editing. But we use Premiere Pro, so that won't get used. Or what we got here? An iCup. Oh, this is the top handle with the XLR inputs. Let me put it onto. Sits on the top of the camera. It feels nice, got a good feel to it. Whoa, lovely. Take that off. So you've got your door on there, you can open up, adjust all your audio settings. So that's that. An English plug. A European plug, so that's quite handy, being as we're in France. And another European plug. This is the lens hood. And the battery, that's let me get this right, NP-FV70A. I did download the manual off the internet and it said that this camera can use the FV100A, which I've ordered and that's charged up over there. So we'll have a couple of batteries for it. Oh, what's this in here? That's another little cold shoe for the top of the camera. Oh, a remote. You can operate the camera from away. This will be the charger. Because you don't actually get an external charger with this camera. You have to charge the battery in camera. But I have bought a Sony charger, so that probably won't be getting a lot of use. But it's always good to have. Just a USB cable. And here is the important bit. Is that it for the box? Let's get rid of the box. Oh, look at this. It's quite heavy. Might need to adjust the hand strap a little bit. Superb. So I shall get it all put together. We did order, it's got 2 memory card slots in it, so we ordered 4 memory cards. They're 128 gig each. Of course, always check with your memory cards that they're going to be able to record the 4K footage on the camera. So these are U3 Extreme Pro SDXC UHS-1 cards. The Pro's choice for reliability, performance and uncompromising image in 4K UHD video quality. So that's that. First things first, I'm going to put a filter on the camera, protect the lens. Because it's not interchangeable lenses, I want to just protect the front element of the lens. We'll get it all put together and we'll have another look. So there it is, all together. It feels a well-built, sturdy thing. So I'm going to put some memory cards in it, pop the microphone on, and see what we can get with it. So this is it, new camera day. Well, new camera day was yesterday, but the weather was so rubbish, I had to do all my videoing indoors, which wasn't so good. So this is the first day outside with a new camera, new wireless mic. So we shall try it out and see what it sounds like, what it looks like. I've got the external microphone on, but as well as the wireless one in a different channel. So today, being as it's lovely sunny out here, we're going to do a few little jobs. I'm going to bring you along, see how it keeps up with focusing and exposure and all that kind of thing. The camera's set to auto at the moment. I've not delved into manual settings just yet. It's not rocket science, but I wanted to just make sure all the microphones and everything are working okay and that kind of thing, and then I shall get to grips with the actual camera itself. So let's get on with some jobs. So one of the little jobs we're going to do today is just bring all the chilies outside. We're going to actually feed them, and while they're outside we're going to just get the aphids off of them, because we have a bit of an aphid problem. So what I'm going to do is, this is Chili Focus, a 6 litre watering can, so we're going to want young plants, seedlings onwards, 5 ml of Chili Focus per litre, so that's 6 litres, so that's 30 ml. So I'm going to put 40 in it because, you know, nice round number. There we go. Tip that in there. Now with chilies, it's always best to water them from the bottom, because then the goodness comes up through the compost.
Might be a bit much for some of them. Some of them I think need staking up anyway.
focusing on the dog and then blurred out the background quite nicely. So it's got that quite good bokeh effect in the background, and the focus is keeping on the dog quite well. This is handheld as well at the minute. Oh, that's them. So that's it. There is a bit of breeze, so I don't know if the microphone's picking that up, this microphone or this microphone, but this is really a test for the camera. So yeah, learning stages. Got a manual about that thick to read through, but we'll get there and we'll get some good shots hopefully. And I'm very interested to see what this footage looks like outside in the glorious sun. So yeah, we'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.